Okay, everyone, it really sucks when kids pull fire alarms in schools for fun, for a prank, to get out of class, to skip a test, and to scare people. The reason why it really sucks when kids do that is because this behavior is very dangerous and very illegal. And if you are 18 years old and older, you will be charged as a adult. And if you are charged as a adult pulling the alarm for fun, you will get arrested by the police. Because pulling the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization is a felony. So, how are schools cracking down on false alarms? Schools are putting covers over the manual alarms that are in student hallways, cafeterias, gymnasiums, libraries, and in classrooms. Those are areas of the school where students are populated in, and the chance for tampering is at a very high risk. Those covers serve two purposes. They protect the alarm, and if somebody were to knock out the cover, you will hear an alarm right there at the cover. So if you knock out the cover, you are going to get this and it will scare you away. And you will put it back, and there will be a lot of attention drawn. So you can't just go up and pull the fire alarm whenever you want to. Now, when there is a real fire, or if you are conducting a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, make sure you lift the box and then you pull the handle down on the inside. Only lifting that box does not cause the system to activate. That alarm on the box is there to deter pranksters from pulling the alarm for fun. Goodbye.